Hello, hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tools. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can get format feature on your Google Chat. Okay, format it means when you want to send someone text, then you can make the text bold, underline, cross, or anything. So how can you do this? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So choose any idea of your Google Chat and then click here bottom left corner on your screen. So this one plus icon, just click on this and scroll down, then you can see the last option, it's called format. So simply click on this, then you'll see the icon the below on his below the history one. So hi, I said hi, but you have to choose first thing, like I chose bold. So if I write something, then it will be bold, and if I choose italic, if I choose I so it's happen. And after that you can also change your color, then like subscribe my channel, subscribe our channel, and this is if you want to change the color, then you can. I'm just going to you have to select first, then go and it will change the fonts. It's called format. Okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching this video.